An example of goal misgeneralization is you, the viewer of this video. Your desires, goals, and drives result from adaptations that have been accumulating generation after generation since the origin of life. Imagine you're not just a person living in the 21st century, but an observer from another world, watching the evolution of life on Earth from its very beginning. You don't have the power to read minds or interact with anything. All you can do is watch, like a spectator at a play unfolding over billions of years. Let's take you back to the Paleolithic era. As an outsider, you notice something intriguing about these early humans. Their lives are intensely focused on a few key activities. One of them is sexual reproduction. To you, a being who has observed life across galaxies, this isn't surprising. Reproduction is a universal story, and here on Earth, more sex means more chances to pass on genetic traits. You also observe that humans seek sweet berries and fatty meat. These are the energy gold mines of their world, so such things are yearned after and fought for. And it makes sense, since it seems that humans who eat calorie-dense food have more energy, which correlates with having more offspring for them and their immediate relatives. Now, let's fast forward to the 21st century. Contraception is widespread, and while humans are still engaged in sexual activity, it doesn't result in new offspring nearly as often. In fact, humans now engage in sexual activity for its own sake, and decide to produce offspring because of separate desires and drives. The human drive of engaging in sexual activity is becoming decorrelated with reproductive success, and that craving for sweet and fatty foods, it's still there. Ice cream often wins over salad. Yet, this preference isn't translating to a survival and reproductive advantage as it once did. In some cases, quite the opposite. Human drives that once led to reproductive success are now becoming decorrelated or detrimental to it. Birth rates in many societies are falling, while humans pursue seemingly inexplicable goals from the perspective of evolution. So, what's going on here?